Good afternoon all. Today we are going to conduct a webinar on the topic DevOps with Alibaba Cloud. That is Development Operations with Alibaba Cloud, which is organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, College of Engineering, Kidangur, Kottayam, Kerala, India. It's my duty to deliver a warm welcome on behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, College of Engineering, Kidangur. First, I would like to welcome our speaker, Mr. Gavaskar S., MVP at Alibaba Cloud. I feel happy to say that he is my batchmate. He did his BTech in St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, affiliated to Anna University, in the year 2005, and ME Network and Internet Engineering from Karunya University, Coimbatore, in the year 2009. He has around 14 years of software experience where he worked with various .NET technologies and 10 years of teaching experience as assistant professor at St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. Presently, he is working as cloud software consultant in GM Software. He is an MVP, that is Most Valuable Professional in Alibaba Cloud, with more than 75 Clouder certification and 4 associate certificates in Cloud Computing, Cloud Security, Enterprise Database, Cloud Transformation Architect, and Cloud Native. He is Certified DevOps Engineer of Alibaba Cloud. He is Oracle Academy Certified Trainer for Oracle certification courses. He is active writer of Alibaba Cloud in Quora. He is one of well-known reviewer of Alibaba Cloud, and he is an active writer in LinkedIn and published 4 articles in LinkedIn. A warm welcome to you, Gavaskar sir. Next, I extend my heartfelt welcome to our college principal, Dr. K.G. Vishwanathan, who is the backbone for all the programs. Our HOD, Dr. Ojas Thomas Lee, and all the department faculty members who had extended their support for the success of this program. I also welcome all the participants who joined with us to gain new ideas. Thank you. Instructions to participants. All participants, kindly make sure that your mic and video are muted in order to avoid the disturbance during the program and to reduce internet usage. After the presentation of the speaker, you can ask your queries either by unmuting your mic or by posting your queries in the chat box. Don't forget to fill the feedback that will be shared in the chat box at the end of the session. Key benefits of this webinar are: you can get 2 certificates. First, e-certificate will be provided to all the registered participants. Also, all the participants can attend a quiz after the webinar and can receive a certificate directly from the Alibaba Cloud, provided the score is greater than 60%. With great pleasure, I would like to hand over the session to our resource person, Gavaskar.
Good afternoon to all the participants. I like to thank Dr. Angeluji for introducing me. I also like to thank all the participants of the College of Engineering, Kidangur, all the participants from Alibaba Cloud community India and worldwide. At this juncture, I would like to thank the college management for organizing such webinar on DevOps. I would like to thank the principal of the institution, Dr. K.G. Vishwanath, and the HOD of CSE department, Mr. Ojas Thomas Lee, for organizing the webinar. I also like to thank the coordinator of the webinar, Dr. K.S. Angel Vijay, the faculties and student community of College of Engineering, Kidangur. finally, I would like to thank all the participants from Alibaba community and all the other participants for attending the webinar. So it is, I am Gavaskar S. I am a MEP at Alibaba Cloud. You can contact me at gavaskar@dingtalk.com. So the agenda for today's webinar is, first we are going to see about introduction to cloud computing. Then we are going to see about what is Alibaba Cloud and what are the global infra. Building, development team and the testing team. Okay, that's I can tell. I am going to repeat again. So you see, development team will develop the software, and the testing team job is to test the software. Okay, so there is no interlink. So now we are going to fill this gap by using DevOps. That you have to know here. Okay. So again, I am going to explain about waterfall model. So this is same as software development life cycle. Requirement analysis, system design will be there, implementation will be there, testing will be there, deployment will be there, and maintenance will be there. You can say same scenario here. So the team which design, which develop the software, and the team which is going to test the software or deploy the software, there is no interlink. There is no collaboration. Okay, so that you have to know clearly here. There is no collaboration between the development team and operation or maintenance team. Okay, so now we are going for agile software methodology. It is a methodology used by most of the software companies. So it focuses on customer satisfaction by rapid delivery of working software product. So in agile methodology, what we are going to do is, we are going to break down the project into incremental modules or incremental builds. And this build or modules are provided in iteration. A single iteration will last for 1 to 3 weeks. So now see, this is a diagram for this. So you see single iteration, single iteration, we are doing planning, requirement analysis, designing, building and testing. You can see here, building team is there, development team is there, and testing team or operation team is there. There is no interlink. There is no interlink. Then take separate teams. Okay. So again, see, 3 iterations are present here. 3 iterations, the same scenario exists. Okay. Each iteration, planning process is there, requirement analysis will be there, design will be there, coding will be there, unit testing will be there, and acceptance testing will be there. Okay. Now we can see what are the downfalls of traditional software development. Okay. We are going to consider. I'm going to compare with the agile methodology. You see, the black box to developer and operation teams leads to finger point. The main drawback in traditional methodology. You see, so already told that there is no collaboration. There is no collaboration between the developer team and the developer team and the operation team. So developer team will develop the software, and it will be handed to the operation team for deployment. So when an error occurs in the deployment, the operation team will finger point the developer team. Okay, and the developer team, what they will tell, in my system, in my product environment, it is running fine. The deployment it's not working fine. So they will finger point the operation team. So this is a scenario which is happening in the traditional software development. So that is nothing but, so it's a black box. Operation is the black box to the developer team. And
Excuse me, sir.